Well, back for another video with the old street car. This is gonna be a little quick one, but I got this tip, I don't know, a year or so ago, and to attach carpet, and it's really cool and it helps a lot, you know, big old methanol streetcar stuff. But as you can see, hiding all my wiring, nice and flimsy. Well, you just go on Amazon, order some big fat strips of Velcro. We'll walk around, look at my mess I got going, but that's pretty cool. That's a mess. That's really a mess, but don't mind me. Get this thrown up here, but this is all stuck down pretty decent. I mean, seat will hide it, leaves, but you can see, nice and removable, but it's secured. It's nice and easy. And that makes it easy to service too. I see a lot of people like glue this shit down and also other stuff, but this Velcro, I think, is going to work out pretty good, especially since I like doing like mid-year changes of just gutting the whole car and going for glory passes when I'm not in street classes. So like I said, I like gutting the car when I'm not doing any street classes, but I'm going to be doing ICC. But most importantly, there's a guy named Bryant Travis locally that puts on some events at I-29 and streetcar cash days. And I like to get my ass kicked, so I'm gonna keep going and try not to get my ass kicked. So putting a little bit of carpet in. Basically, you have to have carpet interior, no metal showing, be able to make a 30-minute cruise without refueling, idle for 10 minutes after the cruise, and then make a hit. All without refueling, all without making changes with the laptop or anything, just you're going. So we're gonna just see what we can do there. Like I said, I like to support local events, and it'll be my first one getting out late this year. So I should probably do an update video with the motor and stuff and trans, all that shit that changed. And I'm gonna continue to cuss because that's the way I am. But I thought you'd like this little tech tip Wednesday, Wild Wednesday, whatever you want. But it's a cool little trick. 20 bucks on Amazon. This is some Menards outdoor lightweight carpet. Some people use speaker box carpet. I got this for free, so that's what I'm using. It's pretty light. I mean, if this whole car weighs 5 pounds, I'd be impressed. So I ain't gonna worry about it. So like I said, cheap, works, and I like it that way. So we're gonna catch you guys next time. It's gonna be pretty interesting within the next week what I'm doing. So come back in the next week. We should have a pretty banging video, or an explosive one, or one that lets me down, one that makes me depressed, one that makes me excited, one that makes me happy. It could be all of a wild roller coaster of emotions, but it's going to be a video. So we'll catch you next time, guys.